Hey guys, I will show you today how to install MN-602-FA Bluetooth model to your Fiat 500 car radio. You need the model itself, then you need two keys and small screwdriver. Just remove 4 pieces of plastic from your car radio. It opens 4 holes for your 2 keys. Put the keys inside the car radio, turn off the car radio and remove the radio from the dashboard. This heat unit is from Bosch, but also older Blaupunkt heat units work perfectly with this model. Put plug of Bluetooth model in the connector of your radio. After connecting your Bluetooth model to the radio, check all the cables and connect them before installing the radio in the dashboard. Drop Bluetooth model in the dashboard. And don't forget to remove keys from your radio before installing it in the dashboard. Install the radio on its place. Turn the radio on. When the radio will be turned on, it will get into radio mode. To turn on and install Bluetooth model, press CD button. If there is a CD in the heat unit, press CD button twice. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Choose MANTSON Bluetooth in available devices. It connects to Bluetooth module of your car. From now, when you get in the car and turn on Bluetooth on your phone and your radio is on in the car, it will be connected to each other automatically. Now choose your player and try to play music. You can switch between tracks by using right or left arrow on your radio. Also, you can use plus or minus button to increase or decrease volume. You can also decrease or increase volume on your phone if default volume is too high or too low on your radio. Use mute button if someone is calling you. If your car have steering wheel control buttons for previous, next track and volume, they will also work. Thanks for watching our tutorial.